Day 7 of 3D printing something new every day for each letter of the alphabet. Today I'm continuing the challenge with a golf set. I found the model on printables, thank you to Taco Makes 3D. The design is fun and clever, as when you put the ball or hit it too far, it rolls into a return ramp. It keeps you occupied for minutes on end. It uses pens as the handles of the clubs and marbles for the balls. However, it does use quite a lot of filament. Anyway, I'm going to give this print an 8 out of 10. Follow us to join the journey and see what we print next.